Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this video you will know 15 types of doctors with English and Nepali sentences. So before starting the video, please subscribe this channel, like this video. Let's move forward. 15 types of doctors. First is dermatologist. It means skin specialist. यानी कि छाला रोग विशेषज्ञ. Number 2 is cardiologist. It means heart specialist, हृदय रोग विशेषज्ञ. And number 3 is gynecologist. Gynecologist, it means female disease specialist, स्त्री रोग विशेषज्ञ. Number 4 is dentist. It means doctor of teeth and jawbone, दांत को डॉक्टर. Number 5 is ophthalmologist. It means eye specialist, नेत्र रोग विशेषज्ञ. Number 6 is orthopedist. It means muscles and bone expert, मांसपेशी र हड्डी को विशेषज्ञ. Number 7 is anesthesiologist. It means a specialist who administers an anesthetic to a patient before he is treated. विशेषज्ञ जसले बेहोस गर्ने औषधि को बन्दोबस्त गर्दछ. Number 8 is endocrinologist. अन्तःस्त्रविज्ञानी. Diagnoses and treats diabetes, hormone imbalances, thyroid diseases and other disorders of the endocrine systems. Number 9 is gastroenterologist. It means a specialist in disease of the digestive system, पेट तथा पाचन प्रणाली संबंधित डॉक्टर. Number 10 is hematologist. It means रुधिर रोग विशेषज्ञ. A hematologist specializes in disease of the blood and bone marrow. Number 11 is hypotologist. Specialize in disease of the liver, कलेजो संबंधी रोग को डॉक्टर. Number 12 is neonatologist. It means care for the premature and critically ill newborns, नवजात शिशु को डॉक्टर. Number 3 is neurologist. A neurologist specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of all types of diseases and functions of the brain, spine, peripheral nervous muscles and nervous systems. नसा स्नायु प्रणाली र मस्तिष्क को डॉक्टर. Number 14 is pediatrician, बाल रोग विशेषज्ञ, a child specialist. Number 15 is oncologist. It means a doctor who treat cancer रोग को डॉक्टर. Hello guys, to know more about types of the doctor, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Okay, thanks for watching.